Hi there, I'm Liz, and I'm a member of the Toddy marketing team and a cold brew coffee expert. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Toddy cold brew system commercial model. When you purchase your Toddy cold brew system commercial model, it's going to come with everything you need for your first 10 batches, including everything that we have here. Our strainer, 10 filters, string for the filters, 2 washers, 1 nut, and your spigot. Now we're going to start the brewing process. I recommend using filtered water and a freshly ground coarse coffee, something similar to what you would use in a French press. Now I'm going to pour in the first half of our coffee. Refer to our website for more specific brewing recipes and techniques that you may want to experiment with. Next, you will want to pour in about half of your water as indicated in your recipe, making sure to soak all of the grounds inside the filter. We're going to pour our remaining coffee into the filter on top of the coffee that we've already placed in here. Next, we're going to add in the remainder of our filtered water as indicated by your recipe. And again, you want to make sure to soak the coffee grounds. Ta-da! Once the grounds are fully saturated, take the top edges of the filter and using the string provided, seal the filter with the string. Our last step is to cover with the lid and brew at room temperature. Alright, after the brewing process is complete, we recommend that you transfer the concentrate to an airtight container and then refrigerate until ready for use. When you're done filtering your cold brew coffee, you can either compost or discard both the coffee grounds and the coffee filter. From there, you'll take your nylon strainer, rinse that and hang it to dry, and then you're ready to go for your next batch. For more recipes and videos, feel free to check out our website.